An organization in our area that helps others now needs your help. I'm talking about HelpNet Ministries Incorporated in Ashland. They are looking for items to help those in need. I'm pleased to be joined by Crystal Smallwood, who is the Executive Director of HelpNet Ministries Incorporated. Crystal, thanks so much for joining us. I know you've been on with us before, but for someone who may not be familiar with the organization, give us a brief synopsis of what the organization does.
HelpNet Ministries is an organization that was started in 1996, and we're stationed in Ashland. That's where our main building is. And what we do is help, empower, and love people. And so we aim to meet basic needs. That's the helping portion of our mission statement. And empowering means that we offer classes and tax help for people that may need it. We love our community and we serve people. And that is the essence of who we are and what drives us.
You are in need of some basic items. You said like your laundry closet items that you would ask our viewers that maybe they could help out and donate some of these. So let's start with that first.
We started a laundry closet a few months ago. Since we began distributing laundry items in April or in March, since April 1st, we've helped 500 families with laundry items. This is a basic need that a lot of people in our community can just benefit from. It has, it affects the whole family and it helps the whole family. And we believe that it's a basic need that if families can not have to worry about that need, then they can focus on their other needs. So we collect all kinds of laundry detergent and softeners, whether it's liquid or powder or sheets, fabric softener sheets. We don't collect any bleach. We try and keep that out of the building. But as far as detergents and softeners goes, we're running really low right now. We've got about 20 bottles left, and that won't last for another month. So if your viewers can help by donating any kind of laundry soap or even a gift card would be helpful, then we can pick it up ourselves.
The need may be increasing because a lot of people are out of work.
Yeah.
And COVID hit, so did it make things even more difficult for people?
It did make things more difficult. Yeah, we've had a number of families that have come in who have just told me that they didn't expect to be in this situation, and they're just struggling. And it might only be one time that somebody needs to come in and receive help from us, and that's okay. Sometimes it's, if a family needs to come in 2 or 3 times, that's okay too. We just want to be able to meet that need.
We're also looking at another need that will be coming up very soon, and that is school supplies for children. And we hear of this often in so many areas that there are so many needy families, and it's difficult to purchase all the needs for the kids going back to school. So you're looking for those items as well, correct?
Yeah, in August, in the middle of the month, we're going to have a distribution night. So we'll give basic needs like hygiene products and laundry soaps and that kind of thing. But we'll also have a specific back to school opportunity for kids to come in and get the supplies that they need. So we're looking for things like new backpacks, new water bottles, and then the basics like pens and pencils, crayons, folders, notebooks, that kind of thing that children are going to need to go back to school with.
For those watching right now who want to help, where do they drop off the supplies or the gift cards? What do they do?
We're located at 1005 Center Street in Ashland, and we're open from 10 to 5 Monday through Friday and 10 to 4 on Saturdays, and we're closed Sundays. So if someone wants to drop things off anytime between those hours, they can. If those hours don't work, they can give us a call and we can arrange either a pickup or we can arrange to meet somebody there that has a donation for us.
And what's the best number to call you at?
Yep, they can call us at 570-205-9100.
All right, very valuable information, trying to help out those in need, especially those who, everybody needs to wash their clothes. So that's important to get that out there. But the back to school stuff also will be very important. I hope a lot of people help you out so that you can meet all the needs of those looking for help in the community.
Thank you.
Today's news feature is brought to you by The Cheese Store and more. Go to their Facebook page to see their specials and check out their catering menu.